Folding aluminium enclosures. This system provides total weather sealing and the maximum free space when the doors are folded. We can supply curved enclosures. Among the 20 series on offer, there are series for cold climates with thermal bridge break, a reinforcement column, Mallorcan shutters, etc. We test air permeability, water sealing and wind resistance. Sliding glass walls. Designed for transparency and not to alter visibility. We offer series with a storage or parking area, glass sliding panels and installation without a lower frame. Retractable roof skylight. Our motorized roofs can achieve the widest span between tracks in the market. They can include LED lighting and a reinforced aluminium structure. Great ideas need the backing of a great team. Airclos is here to help you to implement your projects.